Here's how to connect your Facebook page to Repuva, so you can view and manage your Facebook reviews right alongside your Google ones, all in one place. Once your Facebook page is connected, its reviews show up inside Repuva, so you manage everything from one dashboard, instead of jumping between platforms. And you can also choose to collect new reviews here. Let's get it connected. It only takes a couple of minutes. 3 quick things to check first. These prevent almost every problem people run into. 1. You are logged into the correct Facebook profile in this browser, the one that manages your page. 2. You have admin access to that Facebook page. And 3. And this one's non-negotiable. Your Facebook page has reviews or recommendations turned on. If that's switched off, there's nothing for Repuva to collect, so no reviews will sync. Turn it on first. If you're unsure about that third one, pause and check your Facebook page settings. You'll find the exact steps to enable this setting in the pinned comment. Inside Repuva, head to Integrations, then Sources. This is where every review platform connects: Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, and more. Find the Facebook card and click Continue with Facebook. This takes you over to Facebook to grant access, then brings you back into Repuva. Quick note for agencies or managers without the client's Facebook login: use the Customer Connect link instead, and they authorize on their side. That's it. Moving on. Facebook will ask you to grant a few permissions: managing your business, reading content on your page, that kind of thing. That's expected. The one thing to check here: the profile name. Make sure that's you, and specifically the account that manages your page. If it's the wrong profile, stop and switch Facebook accounts before continuing. Otherwise, go ahead and continue. Back in Repuva, just type your page name into the search box, select it from the results, and click Connect. If your page doesn't appear in the search, that usually means you don't have admin access to it. Fix the page permissions on Facebook's side, then try again. Once you click Connect, you'll see the status change to Connected right here on the Sources page. That's the connection done. Now head to your reviews page. Your Facebook reviews will start showing up here, alongside your other reviews. One thing, they take a few minutes to sync. So don't worry if they're not instant. Give it a couple of minutes, refresh, and they'll appear. And that's it. When Facebook shows as connected on Sources, and your reviews are appearing on the reviews page, you're fully set up. Your Facebook page is now part of Repuva. With Facebook connected, your reviews will manage right inside Repuva. Reply to them yourself, or let the AI autoresponder handle replies for you automatically. Setting that up is the natural next step, and I'll show you exactly how in the next video. I'll link that autoresponder video on screen now. See you there.